Okay, welcome to this video. We're going to look at a question on roots of polynomials, but specifically we'll be finding the equation given certain roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of that particular equation, find the values of each of the following expression. Okay, we are finding an equation whose roots are alpha squared plus beta squared. We're also finding an equation whose roots are alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. All right, so given that, it's actually very simple. All what you have to do is that step 1, find the sum of roots. So the sum of roots alpha plus beta is given by negative what? B over what? A. And our A is that, our B is that, our C is that. So we get negative 5 over 3. Next, find the product of roots. Product of what? Roots. Which is alpha beta. And alpha beta usually is given by C over A, which is 4 over 3. Okay, we found that. But keyword is that we're looking for the equation whose roots are this and that. Now, okay. So, next is part 1. Okay, so part 1, we are looking for the equation of alpha squared and beta squared. All what we have to do is that find the sum of that, which we have already found. We haven't yet found the sum, by the way. Okay. So this is the sum of and the product for this. Okay. But the sum and the product for the new equation, it will be alpha squared plus beta squared, because these are the roots, conditional roots. Okay. Which will be equal to what? Alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. We need to know these expressions by heart, by the way. And is going to give us alpha plus beta is actually negative 5 over 3 squared minus 2, 4 over 3, to give us 25 over 9 minus 8 over 3, to give us 1 over 9. That's a sum, right? Then you go to the product of the same roots. So squared that. Now remember that when you're multiplying, okay, variables with the same power degree, you just factorize the power, meaning this is just this. You agree, right? And this one is 4 over 3, then we are squaring it, which will give us 16 over 9. So the general equation formula, all right, is given by x squared minus sum multiplied by x plus product equal to 0. So our x squared, our sum is 1 over 9, then just put x there, plus our product is 16 over 9, and that is equal to 0. If we do the evaluation, because the 9 is common, this will give us 9x squared minus x plus 16 equal to 0. That is the equation. Done and dusted. We can do the same for whose roots are these. So for 2, okay, for 2 we are going to find the sum as usual. We are going to find the sum of this friend of ours. Okay, the sum will give us alpha beta there, then we're going to get alpha squared plus beta what? Squared. If you work out the fraction properly. All right, of course this we already found it somewhere here under the sum as 1 over 9 over alpha beta, it's 4 over 3 to give us 1 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4 to give us 3 over 36, and finally 1 over 12, because 3 can go in either of the sides. Now that we found the sum, we need to find the product, meaning alpha beta, okay, multiplied by beta alpha. And we know that this will just give us 1. They don't need to go anywhere. This will cancel to give us what? 1. And we know the equation is in this form. Sum x plus product, and that one is equal to 0. So our x squared, our sum is minus 1 over 12x, okay, and our product is 1, equal to 0. And that, of course, we know that we can actually make the 12 come this side by just multiplying throughout by 12 to give us 12x squared minus x, and here plus 12 is equal to 0 as our final answer. And you're welcome. As usual, this is our number for tutorials. Those who want to pay and join, send a message, a WhatsApp message on this number, so that we can give you how we charge per session or per month. See ya.